Porsche Cayenne entered the market with mixed anticipation. However, it soon proved that it was the performance vehicle among SUVs and was praised for its excellent handling and powerful engines. The lineup initially consisted of the V8-powered Cayenne S and Cayenne Turbo. Later in the model cycle, VR6 and diesel-powered versions joined the lineup. The base model is powered by a VW 3.2-liter VR6 engine producing 247 horsepower. Intake manifold is unique to Porsche, but otherwise engine is very similar to the standard VW engine. Acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.3 seconds with the manual transmission and 9.7 seconds with the Tiptronic S. The S is powered by an 8-cylinder engine with a dry sump lubrication system and initially variable valve timing. It produces 340 horsepower and 310 foot-pounds of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 6.9 seconds and the top speed is 150 miles per hour. The GTS is powered with a 399 horsepower 4.8-liter V8 and features a sport suspension and 21-inch wheels. It is lighter than the Cayenne S and has an aerodynamic body kit. The Porsche Cayenne GTS has a 0 to 62 mile per hour time of 5.7 seconds. A 6-speed manual transmission is also offered. The first generation Cayenne Turbo has 450 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds.